आपको कभी ऐसा फील हुआ है मतलब कि जैसे आप कभी ना बिग बॉस देख रहे हो, ठीक है, और सडनली यू कम टू अ मूड ऑफ सडनली दे आर फाइटिंग आउट देयर एंड सडनली इवन यू फाइट फॉर नो रीजन. दैट्स द मेन बिग प्रॉब्लम वॉच इज बिग बॉस. तो अभी तो बिग बॉस में कुछ अंडू गंडू ही चल रहा है, लोग कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, बावड़े रहते हैं सारे. Anyways guys, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys doing great. The last video that I posted was जो मंडे का था, जो मैं भाई के कैफ़े में गया था, उस टाइम मैंने ब्लॉग बनाई थी. उसके बाद तो मैंने कोई ब्लॉग नहीं बनाया क्योंकि अब मैं 9 आवर शिफ्ट, तो मैं वैसे फुल टाइम जॉब करता हूँ तो मेरे को ज़रूरी है, तो फिर ज़रूरी है तो फिर 9 आवर शिफ्ट करता हूँ ना, तो फिर मेरे को टाइम इतना मिलता है. तो पूरे हफ्ते काम मैंने कल तक काम करा, मैंने सुबह के 3:30 बजे तक. तो आई हैव माई शिफ्ट गोइंग ऑन 6:30 to 3:30 मॉर्निंग. तो हाँ, तो today is my off, so I just planned that I'll make a vlog because one of my very close friend is going to come to meet me after very long time. कम से कम एक साल हो गया होगा. We have not met yet. So today finally we made a plan that we'll go somewhere out, we'll meet and we'll have a good time after a very long time. Or he's my friend. Robert, say hi. So we are meeting after almost a year, right?
Yeah.
So yeah guys, so we are right now, we are on the way, so we are going somewhere, so that will be a bit surprised because even we don't know the way we are going. We have been fighting around at night. रात को क्या हुआ था कि हम ना मतलब कि we were deciding where to go. After that I asked him that maybe we can go to Agra to Taj Mahal देखने after a very long time. तो इन्होंने कहा कि हाँ ठीक है, फिर हम प्लान करके बताते. But he never said you slept off, no? After that?
No.
You did? Because you didn't reply after that. I asked you around 2 o'clock.
देखा नहीं, ध्यान नहीं था.
हाँ, तो फिर देखा नहीं, फिर वही चीज़ हो गया. तो फिर हाँ, so finally we are going somewhere. Just sanitizing our car. We have almost reached the place.
नहीं. क्या यहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट?
हाँ, रेस्टोरेंट लंच करने आए हम
लंच करने आए हैं मतलब. अच्छा, सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे सिर्फ रूम्स हैं. क्या? अच्छा.
तो नॉर्मल नहीं हो सकता? अच्छा.
ओके, और कोई है यहाँ पे?
हाँ, we can.
अच्छा.
We are going back because there's a wedding going on. शादी चल रही है यहाँ पर. We'll find another one.
Yes, soon.
So guys, we are going back.
Yes.
Where?
We are going back to Delhi.
We are going back to Delhi because यहाँ पर मानेसर में कोई अच्छा सा resort hotels है नहीं, तो फिर we are going back to. We'll go to mall, no?
Yeah.
We'll go to Promenade and then probably we'll find a good restaurant to eat. We thought that we'll get some good food or nice hotel. We can chill out there, but.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we were not able to Alright, तो भाई हम मानेसर में कुछ नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि जो होटल हम गए थे हम रिजॉर्ट तो वो फिर शादी के लिए बुक था तो वी वर नॉट एबल टू हम जा नहीं पाए वहाँ पर. सो फिर वी थॉट दैट विल रिटर्न बैक. तो वी केम टू अ मॉल. राइट नाउ वी इन प्रोमेनाड. सो we'll go to the one wood restaurant and probably will eat something because we have not eaten anything. भूख लग रही है भाई. पेट्रोल डलवा रहा है अभी बंदा देख रहा है कितना पेट्रोल डल रहा है. सही डल रहा है नहीं डल रहा है.
देख रहा हूँ कितने पैसे देने.
पैसे देख रहे हैं. Alright guys, so we'll meet you after we come out from the mall and yeah, we'll continue the vlog. Alright guys, so we are out from the mall and we are going back to home and so we are almost reached and we'll say bye to Robert and we'll meet him very soon. Wolf, his name is Shubham. So we'll meet him next week very soon and he'll be back to the vlog. And would you like to say anything to my viewers?
Nothing. Bye bye. Good night.
Alright, alright guys, so we'll just see you and we'll say bye to Robert and we'll just see him in the next vlog. You'll be in the next vlog very soon.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright guys. Hi guys, so I'm just back home and just got into my home and I just got garmi ho rahi hai. So we had a good time today. I met Robert, Shubham after a very long time and we really had a good time. We had a good conversation and probably we tried जैसे हमने ट्राई किया मानेसर में जो हमने रिजॉर्ट हमने जो देखा था हमने दैट वाज रियली ब्यूटीफुल बट वहाँ पर किसी की शादी हो रही थी तो फिर प्रॉब्ली वी कुड नॉट गो आउट देयर सो इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल सो प्रॉब्ली वी वेंट टू अ मॉल आफ्टर दैट या सो आई जस्ट बॉट अ न्यू mic so which is really nice. This is the mic I got from Rode and which is really nice and the voice quality is absolutely great and right now I'm shooting with the same mic and which is really nice. I can absolutely recommend you these guys if you are vlogging with with your camera or any other vlogging camera, even if the phone I guess. Even though I've never tried with the phone but I think even phone ke sath chal jata hoga but yeah this is a really nice mic. And apart from that guys, I would like to tell you, I'm really thankful, I'm really great that you guys are absolutely giving me, a great support and immense love. I really thank you all. And uske alawa, I think I want to make, vlogs every day. I really want to do that. और जैसे आज हुआ that was not really nice. I know and I'm really sorry for that but definitely मैं और vlog बनाना चाहता हूँ. मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हो जाती है ना कि जैसे मैंने पिछली व्लॉग मैंने डाली थी मैंने मंडे बाई गेस उसके बाद मैंने कोई भी व्लॉग नहीं डाली बीच में क्योंकि आई वाज लिटरली वर्किंग. आई हैव अ 9-hour शिफ्ट वर्किंग एंड आई वर्क एज अ US time so which is not really possible for me to make a vlog every day but whenever it's on off I try to make vlogs. I try to possibly go out and do something interesting. I think these weeks are now say not everything is going on so I think I'll make some interesting videos and I'm just planning to get some more good contents so yeah so I'll make one and apart from that I just hope that you guys have liked the video and the previous videos as well which I have posted before which I have got immense love and support with each and every one of you and I really thank you all once again. And yeah, we'll just end the video right here and thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video please do like, share and subscribe and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye, take care.